So it's all down to an unlawful arrest in 2020 where I now make available smart rings with a panic button, and I've got an interest in wearable tech. Now, it was because the police arrested me jogging to my mum's when I was going to get my uncle ready for his dialysis appointment. Now, my uncle has learning disabilities, had a stroke a few years ago, and has lost his mobility. So I have to go to my mum's throughout the week to get him ready for his ambulance pickup. So there I was, jogging to my mum's, got to the bottom of the street, there was loads of police cars on the street. One pulled up next to me, officer jumps out, arrests me. I've got my music in, so I'm reaching up for my headphone and basically being told not to move my hands and stuff like that. So slaps some cuffs on me, then I'm asking why I'm being arrested, and he says it's because the CCTV at the bottom of the street had seen me kicking in the door of a house on a neighbouring street, and just basically made a bunch of stuff up. So anyway, I've told him I've just jogged from where I live, that my CCTV at my home would have recorded in the date and time stamped me leaving. Wasn't even on the street. Asked him what the description is of the people that had, done this particular crime, because there was two of them. I was by myself. And long story short, turns out that they weren't even black, because my mum's CCTV actually captured them going down the street. And none of them were black. So anyway, from that incident, I requested the footage from police worn body cams. Now, of all the police cars that pulled up during my arrest, not a single one of them had a body cam. Yet they were supposed to be attending a violent incident where someone's tried to kick in the door of a house and taken a bag. Long story short, somebody's house on a neighbouring street got kicked in and they'd rubbed a little bit of green. The house owner hadn't told the police what had been stolen, and the police decided to arrest the first black person they seen jogging on the street, even though I didn't fit the description that had been put out over the radio. So from that particular date, I was like, I need to find a way of being able to record incidents like that, or to be able to notify family incidents like that. Like to be able to send a pre-written text message that something's up with my location, or to be able to record the police if they decide to arrest me with their body cams off and make up what they want to make up, because that's exactly what they did. So that's why I now make available smart rings with panic buttons, because it's not just criminals, it's the police you've got to be aware of.